Hello humans, this is Mr. Eshelman with a very short video to introduce you to while loops in Python and explain how a while loop works. So I'm going to write a very short program here using a while loop. I'm going to start with a line of code that says a is equal to 0, so I'm setting a variable. I'm initializing a variable called a and I'm setting that to store the value 0 in it. Then I'm going to write while a is less than 5, print a, and then let's take a and increment it by 1. A equals a plus 1. Okay, now I'm going to click run, and before I do that I want you to pause your video or think really quickly what you think will happen on my screen. Okay, so you can see when I ran this, it printed the values, it output the values 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. How did we do that with just a few lines of code? Using a while loop. Okay, so let's look at the while loop. Okay, first of all, this is not part of the while loop. This is initializing the variable a and setting it equal to 0. I'll draw on my screen a little bit here. Okay, so this line says while a is less than 5, colon. The syntax matters here. When we do a while loop, we always use the word while. We always have a condition to check, and we always have a colon. Okay, and then that's called the header of a while loop. What's underneath it is called the body, and the body will repeat. That's why we call it a loop. These two lines are the body of this while loop, and they'll repeat over and over as long as the condition continues to be true. So while a is less than 5, print a equals a plus 1, print a equals a plus 1, print a equals a plus 1. And it will keep going. However, because we have this line, a equals a plus 1, a, our variable, will continue to grow and grow and grow. Every time we do the loop, it increases by 1. This line of code says take a, whatever it is, add 1 to it, and now that becomes the new a. So if we start where a equals 0, and then we do these two lines, print a, that's where we get 0 over here. Now a equals a plus 1. A is now 1. Loop back and check. Is this condition still true? Well, now a is 1, so yes, it is true. So do this again. Print a, and now add 1 to a. Loop again. Check. Now a is 2. Is 2 less than 5? Yes, it is. So let's do these two lines of code. Okay, and that happens again, and it happens again. And then finally we get to the point where we say, okay, a was 4, now it becomes 5. And we loop back and we check, and we say, is a less than 5? Well, no, 5 is not less than 5. So stop. Don't do these things. Skip the body of the while loop, go down to the next line. There's nothing in the next line, and so we're done. Okay, that's how a while loop works, and you're going to be looking at lots of examples and playing around with this yourself.